Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel video. In this video I want to show you something special. Friend, in this video I am present in Guwahati Railway
खतरों का
yard.
खिलाड़ी है।
Okay,
खतरों का खिलाड़ी।
you can see here
खतरों का खिलाड़ी है ना।
in the TRD department under contractor private job. Some guys are doing jobs at high risk. Of course, it is taken safety measures from the departments and their colleagues, but really it is not a simple or easy task or easy job. Friends, if you don't like your job, then see video. Friends, these guys belong to Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj district, Kurao, Tehsil and block. Actually friend, I also belong to that place from where these guys, and I met them here in Guwahati at the time of working their high risk maintenance job of TRD OHE high voltage 25,000. So friend, if you really like this video and you want more video like this, and if you get motivated from this video and inspired from these works, for this hard laborer, for hard worker, for these guys, please like this video, comment in this videos comment box and share. For more this type of video, please write down in comments for more video. Thank you guys, keep watching, enjoy video, and thank you for watching, and thank you for my video viewer and subscriber. Thanks friend, please share this video. That's everybody can get enthusiastic inspiration and motivation and positive energy from these guys. Thank you friend, thank you and thank you. Thanks a lot.
का भाई यूपी गया का? हाँ? कौने जगह के? कौने जगह के? प्रयागराज में कहाँ? प्रयागराज में कहाँ? क्या नहीं कुछ और बोले नो? कोराव में कहाँ? हाँ? हम कोरावा ही के है भाई। हम दिल्ली से ट्रेन लेके आई है, कोराव का है। हाँ, दिल्ली वाली गाड़ी जो आई है ना, कल सवेरे जाए। कोराव के है, लेडियारी वाली रोड जाना था ना कोराव में, वहीं सिकरो पांडे का बड़ा घर बा हमार, पांडे का बड़ा चांदी वाली नहर पे। हाँ